Hey ladies and gents, sorry, I was just watching this small reaction channel. Her name's Sniper Wolf. Great channel. I don't know what it is. It's just every video she brings really something new to the table. Like she does reaction content and reaction content. And sometimes, if we're lucky, we get graced by her reaction content. It's not just the fact that she reacts to videos. It's her reactions herself that make it so great. They're so unique and so different from the last. Like, look at this one.
Bugs in Mexico are different. No way, that thing is the size of a burrito.
Bingo. But that's besides the point. I thought it'd be nice to show my appreciation for this amazing content creator by turning her into a robot. So here, follow me. And here it is, the SS Sniper Bot. Now, this is not a robot that snipes people, sadly. This is actually a robot that will let us talk to Sniper Wolf and, get to know her a little, Now, I could have turned her into another reaction content creator robot, but I've done that so many times, I thought it'd be fun to kind of mix it up. So what I thought we'd do today is actually disprove some of these horrible allegations I'm hearing about my favorite reaction channel. Since we can actually now ask Sniper Wolf herself and see if these allegations are true. So all we have to do is start up this code. Now, it does take a second to start up, but when it starts, we're going to be... Oh, God. When it does start, we're going to be prompted to, speak to her and, ask her a question or a response of some sort. And when we do, she will reply to it depending on what it is, like this.
Hi, it's me, Sniper Wolf. What do you want?
Your content is good.
Aw, thank you, my loyal fan.
See, and just like that, it's just that simple. Now, first, I want to clear up the allegation that Sniper Wolf steals content from smaller creators. Like, what? That wouldn't make sense. Like, I've heard people saying she just takes smaller creators' content and uses it for her own and profits off of it without even tagging the smaller creator in question. So, I think it's time we clear up this definitely not true allegation.
Hi, it's me, Sniper Wolf. What do you want?
Do you steal videos?
Steal? I don't know what you're talking about. All my content is 100% original. I just borrow people's videos for mine. Tehi.
Look at that. That seems like a reasonable and 100% believable response from Sniper Wolf herself. Man, it sounds just like her too. Man, isn't the wonders of technology, am I right? For the last allegation I want to cover, it's the allegation that, she can't take criticism. I heard this thing where, she doxed somebody, this YouTuber by the name of Jax Films, just because, he critiques her content and everything. And, that just can't be true, because how could YouTube let such a big content creator get away with doxing a long-term content creator on their platform? That just can't be true. Anyway, let's prove this allegation wrong.
Hi, it's me, Sniper Wolf. What do you want?
Your content sucks.
Your address is 308 Negra Arroyo Lane. Anything else?
What? Okay, we need to shut this down. Okay, that wasn't expected. I think that's enough questions for today. That's enough for today's video. Like and subscribe. I think I need to run. I'll see you later.